And we're back from the break. You're vibing with Kazi right here now. We're still in half a tree and nook. This Christmas tree is something you must take into consideration. It's Christmas time, festive season, and right now it's time for us to get into our music video premiere. We have brand new joints coming all the way from the Caribbean, you know. So we have an Antiguan artist named Drastic. His tune is called So Seductive and it features BV from the US Virgin Islands. Now check this out. Pree Dis.
She walks through the door. There's only one thing I'm thinking of. She's so seductive, I want her more. She must be sent from the heavens above. All I want is her. Looks like she's single and all alone. Got the girl swagger that I prefer. Thinking about the ways that I can take her home. Mrs. Seductive, that's what me call her. From day one, got me really want ya. Spot you with that same one. One day go outside. Remember the smile where you got on your pricky.
Extra, read all about it. You don't know it's coming to the end of the year, duh. But right now we went to a party now. We saw the public's opinion and trying to find out exactly who they think is artist of the year, who have song of the year, DJ of the year, vocalist of the year. Trust me, you want to find out the opinions right here on Pree Dis. We got it locked for you. Now listen up right here on Pree Dis.
Without a doubt is Movado. I'm Cartel, I don't and Popcorn.
Cartel of it, hands down.
I think Vibes Cartel had it, but now I'm giving it to Movado.
Female DJ. Jano, big man thing still, me never go around it. The females, them never step up them games still.
I said Tifa. Well, I would forget that to Sissy. Well, I'm forget to Tifa in the back of that short song there. Taros Riley Spirit.
But I get Taros Riley. Alright. When you got the vocal, what are some more lovers rock? Christopher Martin. I'm an Itana fan.
Itana.
IKEA. Yo. Up at Magnum. Alright. Crank it up. Alright. Shell.